Well, welcome back to ModellFan. So as promised in my last video, today I'm going to unbox the 49400 30th anniversary edition Porsche 934 kit from Tamiya. Now, I did get this kit for my birthday like 17 years ago, so it's been on the shelf for a long time, and we've moved a couple of times, so the box has copped a little bit of damage, unfortunately, but everything inside's intact, unopened, and it's just amazing. I just love this kit so much, and this is probably one I'll never ever sell. If I give this hobby away and sell everything, I think this one's got to stay. But look, stick around. It's an amazing kit. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this video. I'm going to enjoy it. All right, so let's dive into this one. So this is a 30th anniversary kit, as you can see, from 1976, the first year they released their radio controlled range, which was, number one was the Porsche. Now, this is actually a present I got from my wife for my 30th birthday, because I'm born in 77, and I've had it on the shelf for 17 years. You can see the box has copped a little bit of damage over the years. We moved house a couple of times and had some stuff in storage, if you've seen any of my other videos, but it's still complete and intact. So I'll just have a look around the box. Beautiful artwork. The Valent 934, just amazing. Just an amazing car. So here, 2006 Tamiya 49400 and 76800, which is a different model number. And I've got the 45th anniversary kit just over there. So that's 15 years later than this one, which is sort of the same body, but it's on a different chassis. I think it's a TAO2. There's a couple of them as well, somewhere, those two over there. So they're the same, all the same chassis. This is a completely different chassis. It's a bit unique to this one model. I think from memory it's a TAO6 or TAO5. I'm going to get that wrong. But yeah, TRF 414M and TRF 415, but it's shorter from memory. I'm testing myself here on this one. So yeah. Such a cool box, and being black's awesome as well. Alright, let's have a look inside. Have a look at it. Like I said, you can see some transit damage here, but all complete and all intact. So the first bit we're going to look at is the body shell, which is a beautiful 934. (2006) Tamiya 49400, so completely unique to this model. Man, I love Porsche 911. I do actually have a Porsche 911. This is one unit here. So these are the wheels, which have had the tyres pre-mounted, and got the nuts on as well. So I haven't actually gone in there and had a look. Yeah, they're all four are in there. I don't want to open it up because it's stapled. Maybe not. Let's have a look. Oh, stuck in there pretty good. I think you have to tear it open, which I don't want to do. And there is the chassis plates. So spin that around. The RC 30th anniversary since 1976, and all mounted to this beautiful artwork. So it's just, oh man, I love this kit. So these boxes here, so these are just sort of covers that are covering some parts here. All the drives, gear drive, front unis, the steering. It's a belt drive chassis. There's the belt drives. Awesome. There's one of the drive belts. And all the little bits and pieces that need to put it together. So bumpers and servo savers and hubs and all bits and pieces. Another belt drive there. I'm not going to open this up. I mean, I want to, but I'm not going to, because I just want to keep it original as I can. I have actually had a look through, so you can see I've cut some of the tape to open up and have a look inside to see what you get. I've got some accessories for it already, obviously. You see, you forget this stuff. You buy this stuff and you put it away and then you just forget. So there's some That's obviously where the battery lockdowns are. So, here. So the suspension pieces, the O-rings and oil and stuff, bulkheads, all beautiful blue anodized TRF colours, which is great. Some bearings. All the shafts for the suspension. Some more beautiful blue anodized pieces, D parts. C parts bag, wheel nuts, so you must get 2 sets of wheel nuts. B parts, these replacement pieces I bought. That's those there, just with the blue anodization. Toby Craft, I must have got them in Japan at some point. More ball ends and some tools. Could see some metal tools, not like that RC10 with plastic tools. More of the universal joints, same as there, but these front ones are blue, these ones are black, so this will be back for the back. More anodized parts. And lucky last part bag A, that's all the countersunk screws. Everything here's all Allen key drive, so no screw heads really. So it makes the kits look pretty amazing. Alright, let's put that back in there now, and then we'll open up the other side. See what we got in that side. So that's the motor mount, or suspension, rear hubs, upper bulkheads. Awesome, so good. Oh, and there's the rear spoiler and mirrors, and then all your light buckets, so your chrome light buckets. That's sort of finished the body off. It's gonna look pretty cool with that wing on. Put that up on that side just so I don't misplace it. And under here is something pretty special. So secondary instructions are the caution stuff Tamiya always send in their kits. You've probably seen 1,000 of these. I don't think I've ever actually read it. Important information concerning this kit. But here's the 1976 30th anniversary edition. 1934. Tells you all about the car. It's all in Japanese, unfortunately. But here's the English version, and this is the German version. So that is pretty awesome. Celebrating 30 years of Tamiya RC cars. Amazing. Window masks, decals, and all the Valiant Kramer decals in black. And then the 30th anniversary commemorative edition 934 instruction build manual. That would be an amazing kit. Now I actually think I've got a TRF that I built on the shelf somewhere, just because I wanted to build this, but I thought I won't. So I think I got a 414 somewhere that I built, so I could still sort of get the experience of building this without actually building this. But that's amazing. So there you have it, unbox of 49400. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Inside, it's just so amazing, isn't it? Like it's just a fantastic kit. I just wish that we could get some more. Even the 45th one, you know, it's nice, don't get me wrong, but it's not that kit at all. It's a TAO2, it's just not this one. So yeah, more of these guys, more of these please. And re-release of 959, I'm sure everyone wants that. So we're going to see you in the next video. I'll do another one. Like I said, I'm going to try and unbox a video, do an unboxing video once a week, and then if there's other Tamiya news that comes along, I'll do a video about that as well. But hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you in our next video. So thanks for watching, guys. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.